have you done this? I'll just have a couple cookies. Oops. What's going on? It's Cat Tran, the Kitchen Kitty, and who says you can't eat all your sweets and stay healthy too with coconut macaroons. Today we're giving the coconut macaroon a healthy makeover, and you won't even know the darn difference. So let's get started. To a large mixing bowl, I got 4 egg whites that I separated out. Could save these for something else. I'm too lazy to go run out for some cream of tartar, so half teaspoon baking powder. Then I'm going to whip this up into stiff peaks. So just whisk it up till it's nice and stiff, just like that. Do that, half teaspoon of vanilla, just a pinch of salt, probably like 1/8 of a teaspoon. Look, I am 40 years old and my body can't handle all the sugar all the time. So you know what? Monkfruit is a great replacement. I'm gonna use half a cup. No calories, no weird aftertaste, tastes just like sugar and perfectly fine for you. So let's go. Put in half a cup in a blender. I'm just gonna blend it till it's fine, like powdered sugar. So I'm gonna gently fold in the sugar into this mixture. So just take a little bit at a time and just start folding. I just did about 3 batches. You don't want to deflate the egg whites. To the bowl, I'm going to fold in 2 cups of unsweetened shredded coconut. Then just gently fold it together, just like that. I folded all the coconut goodness together. I just lined a sheet pan with some parchment paper. Let's do this. I got my bowl, I'm just gonna scoop them out of the sheet pan. So I scooped them out, and then I'm just gonna tighten up the edges a little bit because you don't want those stray coconuts to burn. We're at 15 minutes for mine. They are done. Eat me, little clouds of coconutty goodness. Sugar, sugar, da 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 da. Let's give it a shot. They're crispy on the outside. Look at that. I get my dance on. Now that's some coconut macaroon food porn. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Cat Tran, the Kitchen Kitty, and I appreciate you in the kitchen with me. If you had fun, don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I upload every week. Leave your comments below and say what's up. Until next time. Ciao.